Hey everybody, wanted to go ahead and give you a quick update to some of the new features and enhancements that we've made to NodeZero in the platform. One of the new things that we've recently introduced is the concept of runners, scheduling, and also using your runners to kick off many different types of end-day testing and running different types of pen tests from a different perspective. So let me give you a quick rundown. The first section is runners, and you might be wondering, what is a runner? A NodeZero runner, it basically enables automated deployment of the NodeZero Docker container. This allows you to deploy pen tests from the portal without having to manually run our NodeZero launch script. This is very useful when you have a VM that is in the network and you want it to consistently run pen tests for you. So to display this, we'll go ahead and click Install Runner. I'll give mine a name such as Runner3. And I can set these runners up all throughout the different segments of my network as well. I'm given a curl command. I'll go ahead and copy and paste this onto my VM. This will download our H3 CLI. It will set up a runner, and it will now be ready to run pen tests. So it is that easy. Refreshing the page will eventually show runner 3, which is right here. Now, the next step is, how do I run a pen test? How do I create a schedule? Things like that. You can click Create Schedule, and we'll run a pen test day every Tuesday. So I'm just going to call mine every Tuesday. I already have a template, so you'll use a template that has a predefined scope, attack configuration, and your runner selected. I'm going to choose this one. Run it every week. We'll run it at 2 p.m. and every Tuesday. If you like, there are also advanced options to input your own custom cron expression if this time selection doesn't work for you. Once I click Create Schedule, the schedule has been created. All you have to do now is group by your schedule, and you'll see there's every Tuesday. I've already been running a schedule just to show you what it looks like every Friday. So we've ran one pen test. It found a few weaknesses, credentials, and hosts. And then we have another one with a few more weaknesses, credentials, and hosts. So the schedule will continue to run. Setting up a schedule is super simple. You can manage your schedules right here in the scheduled section. You can also manage your runners on the runner section and drill into them, and also see the related commands the runner is running, the related operations or pen tests that is leveraged as well. The last thing is also, how do you leverage a runner for when a new end-day test is added or a different targeted test? You have the ability to go ahead and have multiple runners throughout the different network, and maybe Veeam comes out and I say, you know what, I want to go ahead and run a Veeam test on runner 2. I can provide an additional scope if I like, accept, and run. So it's very easy once runners are set up to just have them go off and kick off different pen tests from different areas. So we could run a network enumeration on runner 2, and then we'll run one on runner 3 as well. And now we have 2 different pen tests running in 2 different segments.